Good evening. Well, it looks like afternoon here, but we're going to change it to evening. We'll leave the clouds in because they're kind of fun for this trip, and we'll take it up here.
Takeoff runway, tree 0 right, southwest 255.
Right
San Jose
there.
Tower, Alaska 107.
There we go.
11 miles southeast, inbound visual runway, tree 0 right approach.
Okay, here we are. We're at San Jose, and we're going to San Francisco. We're just going to ferry Deadhead up to there, and we are ready to go. We'll go out here, come up on the power, full power. A little quick instrument run here. Just going to go up to 2,000 feet. And gear up. And flaps up and autopilot on. And it's tracking on our
Cessna 7 Bravo Charlie contact NorCal departure on 121 decimal tree. Good day.
Here we go.
121 decimal tree for Cessna 7 Bravo Charlie.
Exigent 821 exit runway when.
Okay, we're just going to leave it there, leave it be, because basically we're invisible. Not basically, we are. We're just simply invisible. Now there, see how the power comes back. We need to be going. Well, we're going a little fast, huh? I wanted to set it at 250. So we've got 60. We'll try 60% power. You look over in the lower left-hand corner. You see we're at 2,000 feet, and we're heading up the bay. We're in the. We'll look over on this side. You'll see that we're in the Cessna citation Longitude. Scooting up the bay because we got a group that's heading for Las Vegas tomorrow, so we want to be there bright and early. I think they wanted to get off at about 7:30. I think they've got a tea time at probably 11 noon. I think they're going to have a bite to eat on board, and then they'll be playing a little golf in the afternoon down there at Las Vegas. So we're going to pick them up, and we want to set this at 1800. We're going to intercept the glide slope, so we'll drop this down to 1800. There we go, and we take this down just a little bit. It'll take that down, and we're going to hit approach, the approach button, so it'll grab on to all the goodies to get us in, and we are going to bring off the power, bring the speed down to about 200. How about that? Yeah, get it down to 200. See what happens there. It's slowly bleeding off, but let's see. We're at 1800. Yeah. And we're tracking here. We're going to make a slight course change heading up the peninsula. And we can darken it up a little bit. We're going to make a night approach. There we go. There's the runways up there at San Francisco. There's somebody else. Let's look back, see who's right behind us. I don't see any traffic right behind us. And we're going to land on runway 28 left. Right there. We're slowly losing our airspeed. We'll bring power down a little bit more. And we're going to want to get it down to about 150. So let's bring it down more. We're down to 1800. And we'll go back inside just to see how we're doing here. That's what it looks like there. And we're going to put gear and get a couple of notches of flap. Slow us down. We're coming down the glide slope, so we want to get down about 150, so we'll come in with a full flap. That'll get us down to 140, 150. We'll go back outside. And just see what this looks like right here. $900 and we're a little slow. We gotta get up to 100. Put the flap up to get up speed here. We'll bring it back in. $150. Gotta stay up. That came in too much flap. 140 is okay. Now we'll come down with the full flap. And we'll look back in here. Yeah, we got three green lights. A little slow. We're real light. No passengers. This is what it looks like inside. I like, of course, the outside view here. You get to see more. There we go. Little bounce. Here we go with the reverser. And we'll hit the first turn. You can look at it in here or look at it out here, either way.
Autopilot.
And there's a little jog right there.
Autopilot.
And we'll just swing right over in here. There we go. Okay. There's our, oh, what the heck, it's still got the reversers on. Okay, that's what we look like. All ready for our passengers in the morning. Except we'd be over at Butler Aviation. Thanks for riding along.